GCE Ordinary Level June 2024. Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial session on Math with Ella. We are going to be solving the question 4 of the June 2024 session, and the question reads thus: given the set Q defined as x such that x is a factor of 18 and the set R defined as x such that x is a multiple of 3 less than 18, we will ask to list the elements of set QR, find Q intersection R, and then we draw a Venn diagram to represent the two sets. So without wasting so much time, let's look at the solution to this question. Solution, the first thing is to list out the elements of set Q. So going by the definition of the set Q, x is a factor of 18. So we just have to list out all the factors of 18. So factors, as we know, always start from 1 and end with the number itself. So we have to start from 1 and end with 18. Factors of 18. So we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and of course 18. So these are the elements of set Q, factors of 18. The next one, B, to list out the multiples of 3 which are less than 18. And as we know, multiples always start from the number itself. So as we are being asked to list the multiples of 3, we are going to start from 3. And then we'll end at the one which is less than the last multiple less than 18. And that will be, so 3, 6, 9, 12. And the next factor will be 18, but the set is defined such that we should end at the multiple which is less than 18. So we are going to end at 15. Yeah, so multiples of 3 less than 18, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. And that's it for the B part. The next part, C, is to find the intersection of the two sets. Q intersection R. Intersection simply means the elements which are found in both sets. That is, elements that are found in set Q and at the same time or are found in set Q and equally in set R. So when we look at this, we find that 3 is a common factor. We have 3 here and 3 here. So we have 3. We have 6 and 6. So 6, we have 9 in both sets. And so that defines the set Q intersection R. And the last part of the question was to draw a Venn diagram. So a Venn diagram, we have first of all to put the set inside rectangular box. That's the first thing. And then we represent both sets using circles. And since we have some elements which are common in both sets, it indicates that the two circles are going to overlap because there is an intersection. This area here represents the intersections. So we label the set. This is Q and this is R. We'll first fill out the elements that are common to both sets. Those will be 3, 6, 9. Yeah, so those are the elements in the intersections. And then we can go ahead to fill out the remaining elements in both sets. So in set Q, what is left here? We have 1, 2, 3 is already in here, 6 is already in here, 9 is already in here, and then we are left with 18. Same thing with R, 3 is in here, 6 is in here, 9 is in here, and we are left with 12 and 15. So that is the Venn diagram representing the set. It is worth noting here that whenever we have to draw a Venn diagram, the first thing is to know if there are some elements which are common to both sets. That will tell us if the circles should overlap. And when you're filling in the elements, you fill in the elements in the intersection first, so that when you're filling the other elements of the set, you shouldn't repeat the ones that you already filled in the intersection area. So that is it for the June 2024 question on set theory. I hope you understood. If you have any questions, please do drop them in the comment section and consider following our page and kindly share this video so that we can reach out to as many learners as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way again, remain blessed.